One of the great environmental campaigns that we're all aware of is around plastic, and particularly plastic in our oceans. A core request is for us all to go plastic free. But is that the correct message? We believe that might not be the case, so we're about to explore some of the reasons why we'd all be better off focusing on being plastic savvy. When we think about plastic, the only reason why we're finding it on our beaches is because of the complete mismanagement of it. Plastic isn't evil. In fact, in many cases, it's really useful. One interesting stat is that 300 million tonnes of new plastic is made every year globally, and only 5% of that is reused in a way where its value is actually recaptured. That's where we're going wrong. 95% of everything that we're producing is mismanaged, and as a result, it's going to waste. There are some downsides to the plastic-free campaigns, and ironically, here's one of them. It's a 100% compostable cup that we found just outside our office. It's an example of how communities and companies, in an attempt to go plastic-free, are actually swapping to alternatives that can be more harmful to the environment than plastic. Another good example of this is one of the big multinational companies that we work with. In their pledge, or I guess pressure, to be seen to be going plastic free, they ended up switching to a pouch design which couldn't be recycled. So they've removed a perfectly recyclable system in favour of a product that can't be recycled, just to be seen to be going plastic free. So how do we become plastic savvy? How do we turn that pitiful 5% into 100% reuse? We've broken it down into two ways: mindset and money. When we talk about mindset, we need to get out of the habit of thinking that plastic is evil. And ironically, to actually stop plastic from landing on our beaches, we need to start valuing it. That means capturing it and putting it back into the system so that it can be reused over and over again. So a lot of it is mindset, but the second part is money. And annoyingly, it always comes down to money. But two things. Firstly, when you purchase your product as a consumer, always try and buy circular. A circular product manages waste better. It's made from recycled materials, so it reuses a waste stream. They're designed to last a long time and then designed to be recycled over and over again, so that that resource is captured and reused. The last part is the government. We need them to invest in infrastructure. It's not possible to capture and recycle material whilst you're on the go if there's nowhere to put it. So we need the government to invest in supporting circularity. Through a combination of mindset and money, we can all start to become plastic savvy, and that is how we'll stop seeing plastic on our beaches.